Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to add a virtual home right away. First, open Settings, then Accessibility and choose Touch. Once there, tap Assistive Touch and flip it on. You'll see a floating button appear. This button acts like a home key and keeps your workflow smooth when the physical button is absent. Make sure your device is unlocked so you can complete setup. Once the button is visible, we'll customize what it does next to save taps and speed up common actions. Now tailor the Assistive Touch menu to your routine. Tap Customize Top-Level Menu and replace icons with Home, Screenshot, or Lock Screen so a single tap performs the task. Then set Single Tap, Double Tap, and Long Press under Custom Actions. Assign Home to one of those for instant return to home. If you need 2-finger pinch or 3-finger swipe, record a custom gesture. Save it and place it in the menu. This reduces complex gestures to one touch. Finish by learning day-to-day use and a quick fix. Move the floating button to any edge so it doesn't block content, and lower idle opacity to make it discreet. Tap the button, choose the action or gesture you set, and enjoy home functions without physical buttons. If the button freezes or won't respond, toggle Assistive Touch off and on. If that fails, restart the iPhone. Make sure iOS is up to date if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.